Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Like Sasha. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite dishes. I'm making curry crab for you guys and I'm gonna serve it with white rice. It's going to be so amazing, so delicious, and I'm going to show you how to do it at home from scratch. So if you want to see how to do it, keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to get your sink with some cool water, and then you're going to put some ice in it. You want this water to be as icy as possible. Alright, so I have my live crabs in this bag right here. Them crabs are vicious. So the ice water is going to just slow them down so you can get to clean them up properly. See them all move up? So just try to get them into the ice. No, but I run out in the ocean, so we can take the excitement tonight. Stay in there. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to a quick break and come back. Alright, so I got another bag of ice, so I'm going to just break it up and then put it in. So let me talk about them still move up, so definitely need more ice. Once the ice has soaked into them and they're nice and calm, what you're going to do to clean them up is to remove this midsection right here and just pull it out like that. After you pull out that, you roll yourself and just open up the head. Put that one side. Then you're going to just open the middle. Yep, it's still moving. And that's how you basically get rid of the insides. This is a man crab because the part here coming like triangle. Pop out your see. Like so. Just ease it up. Yeah. The knife behind it and just brace. Remove all the intestines. Then you're just going to go straight down the middle, just like that. Alright guys, so I'm just quickly showing you the difference between a male and a female crab. The male crab has a pointy apron. This part of the crab is called an apron. The male has a pointy one and the female has a round, broad one. So that's the difference. Let me see. So she has no eggs, so I got her at the right time. She's not breeding, so I'm not killing any future crabs, so to speak. So what I'm doing now, I'm just scrubbing off any excess dirt that's on the legs and ensuring that there's not any dirt. So once I'm done cleaning up all the crabs, I'm moving on to cutting up my seasonings. I am going to cut up some hot scotch bonnet pepper. Here I'm mashing up some ginger. Then I'm going to use a grater and just grater that garlic, because it's a lot of garlic to chop, so I'm just using the grater to make it easier. Now I'm just finally chopping up some scallion. The reason I'm chopping it up is because the scallion leaf tends to wrap around the crab legs and break them off, and I don't want that to happen, so I just chop them up. And you're going to need a lot of scallion, guys. Next, I'm just grinding up some pimento berries really fine to add to the crab. This is going to give it a very nice flavor. Once all the seasonings are prepared, I'm ready to cook. I'm adding some Simply Natural coconut oil to a very large pan, and I'm going to let it heat up. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of Better Pack curry. And if you know anything about curry, you know so the curry is like one of the best out there, like one of my go-to brands of curry. So next I'm going to add my powder seasonings. I'm using Island Spice all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose, some Maggi chicken seasoning as well, some Maggi season up fish seasoning. I'm also going to add some Better Pack black pepper, just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to just mix everything together. The heat is on low. Try not to turn it up too high so that you don't burn your powder seasonings. Next, I'm going to add some salt, and then I'm going to add some boiling hot water to the seasoning so I can get everything, you know, nice and bubbling and ready. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click that bell icon so you'll never miss another video. While the heat is still on low, I'm going to add some garlic powder and some Easy Spice meat seasoning. Yeah, guys, I am turning up the flavor. It's a lot of crabs, and I want every single crab to be penetrated with flavor. I'm adding some more curry powder because, as I said, it's a lot of crab and I want the flavor to strong. Next, I'm going to add some coconut milk to this. I'm using Kendall coconut milk, guys. Trust me, this is going to totally transform the flavor of this curry crab. May I tell you, it's like the absolute best. Next, I'm going to add some hot boiling water to the pot, and I'm going to allow all the seasonings to mix and just come together. I must give credit to my mother-in-law for this recipe. Trust me, are the best curry crab ever. What I'm doing now, I'm just adding those chopped up seasonings. Just putting everything, all the hot pepper, the garlic, the ginger, the onion, everything. Just add it in. Once all my seasonings are well mixed, I'm going to now add my crabs. Just look how clean they are, guys. Like, I did such a good job cleaning up these crabs. I hate to see dirty crab. Yeah, I eat crab and I foot them big and dirty. I don't like see it. Anyways, I'm adding in my crabs now. And I cannot believe at this point the crabs were like still moving up, still kicking me. I said, no man, them crab are strong. They're still kicking. Chris, pass the pot cover. Cover there.
The whole of them are move. The funny big one.
Pass this. Once all my crabs are in, I'm going to add a little bit of water to ensure that there is enough sauce for those crabs to cook in. I almost forgot to add my pimento, so I added it at this point, and then I just cover the pot and let it cook for like 15 minutes. Every 10 to 15 minutes I would open the pot and use a soup spoon to scoop the sauce all over the crabs. This way I am not turning the crabs in the pot and the legs are not breaking off, so by the time I'm ready to serve it, all the crabs will be whole. The idea is to get the sauce down to at least halfway level to get it to a gravy consistency. So just keep cooking until you get that gravy consistency. This is what it looks like when I'm done. You can see that the sauce has reduced and the crab is like so amazing, guys. You can see all the seasoning is now stuck to the crab legs. It's so flavorful. Tastes so good. The gravy, oh my god, so delicious on white rice. So here I'm just making a plate for myself. I had so much fun making this video, and trust me, I had even more fun eating. I wish like every season or every month was like crab month. Because trust me, I love crabs. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you're a crab lover. If not, so it go. Part of your life gone. But until next time, this is Cook Like Sasha. Bye, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And until next time, this is Cook Like Sasha. Bye, guys.